Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the hardware and accounts so the connection is reliable. First, make sure your Quest 2 battery is healthy and on the same 5 GHz network as your PC. Install Virtual Desktop from the headset store and the Streamer app on your computer. Once done, sign into the same account on both devices. Enable developer mode and accept USB debugging when asked, because that allows initial pairing. This minimizes hiccups and prepares both ends for a smooth wireless stream. You now pair and optimize the connection. Open the Streamer app on PC and note the pairing code. Enter it in the headset to create the link. Once paired, make sure your PC isn't running CPU/GPU heavy tasks and set its power profile to high performance. In the Streamer settings, increase bitrate and choose an encoder that fits your GPU. Set FPS to match your headset refresh, 72 or 90, to reduce judder. These adjustments improve frame delivery and lower latency for responsive VR. You finish by launching your VR runtime and testing a game or desktop app. Start Steam VR or the native Oculus software. Once running, connect through Virtual Desktop and confirm smooth head tracking and audio. If you see stutter, make sure the PC is wired to the router or move the router closer. Check for Wi-Fi channel congestion and switch channels if necessary. If problems persist, restart the streamer, repair the headset, and lower bitrate. This single troubleshooting step often restores stability quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.